Kusumapura 499 CE. Under the quiet stars of Gupta Magad, a young Aryabhata dares to say, "The earth turns." In a court that feared the sky's anger, young Aryabhata trusts numbers, not myths. With chalk, verse, and courage, he turns the earth in human minds. In the rich fields and crowded halls of Magad's capital, a lone scholar redraws the heavens with ink, verse, and a spinning earth. This is Kusumapura, ancient Patliputra, on the Ganga. Under the Guptas, poets, physicians, metalworkers, and skywatchers crowd its halls and terraces. Aryabhata is born in 476. By his early 20s, his hunger knows one field: Ganita and Jyotisatra, number and the science of the lights. He counts, he measures, he compares sky and sandable. Circles, chords, and ratios begin to obey his patient hands. Night after night, he climbs the roofs of Kusumapura, marking the rise of stars, the path of the moon, the changing length of days. He tests each observation against the moving heavens, refusing to let vague tradition cloud the sharp edge of his reason. The sky seems to whirl from east to west. But his mind asks, is it the dome that spins, or the ground beneath his bare feet? One day he watches a boat slip down the Ganga. From the deck, trees on the bank seem to slide past. The eye lies. Motion can belong to the watcher. So he reasons, the earth may be the boat, the stars the bank. The spinning sky is only the illusion seen from a turning sphere. At 23, in the year 499, he shapes his work. The Aryabhatiya. 121 verses, dense as iron, light as starlight. He gives numbers not as bare digits, but as syllables. Consonants mark tens and hundreds. Vowels mark place. Poetry itself carries calculation. He arranges his verses in 4 quarters: the Ganita of arithmetic and algebra, the Kalakriya of time, the Gola of the sphere, the Ganitpada of geometry and chords. Piece by piece, he builds a jar table, values of the half-chord, what later ages will call the sign. 24 entries, ready for any triangle or arc. For the circle's measure, he gives a rule. In his coded words, take 62,832 as the circumference for a diameter of 20,000. Pi, as we name it, near 3.1416. He does not boast of perfection. He calls this value asanna, approximate. Enough for observatories and builders, honest about the limits of rule and fraction. Around him, stories still speak of Rahu and Ketu, shadow demons swallowing the Sunday. These tales comfort, bind ritual and sky.
The earth's shadow darkens the moon's shadow darkens the sun.
He explains eclipse as geometry. The moon enters Earth's cone of shadow. The moon's own shadow sweeps across Earth. No dragon's head, but aligned orbits and cones. Such words unsettle. Tradition holds, temples teach. Yet he does not curse the old tales. He simply sets shadows and spheres in their measured places. Surrounded by doubt, he plants his truth like a pillar, unshaken as old certainties tremble around him. In the Gola section, he says it plain. The earth revolves on its axis, turning once each sidereal day, while the stars stand almost fixed. His little book travels. Scribes copy its verses for monasteries and courts. Some curse its bravity, some praise its daring. Many puzzle for years over its verses. By the 7th century, Bhaskar I writes his Bhashya, the first great commentary. Later, astronomers in India and beyond carry Aryabhata's methods into their own tables across centuries. His verses write the turning earth, guiding minds that dare to measure the cosmos anew.
Trust what you can weigh, count, and see, even when stories differ.
Aryabhata does not end the old world. He quietly turns it. His courage lies in letting the turning earth and measured shadow speak louder than myth, and trusting reason to follow.